This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, hello all. Welcome to the next session on enhancement. In the last class, two classes, we have exactly seen what exactly the enhancements and also the modifications. So what is modification? If you do directly changes on the SAP objects, we call it a modification. And enhancements means, so we are going to alter the changes. We are going to do the changes on the direct, not on the direct objects, and we have a hooks, or we have some places where SAP has given. So that place I can write some kind of code and without directly modifying the existing objects. That is an enhancement, guys. We have different kind of enhancements. And so user exits, customer exits, baddies, enhancement framework, BTE, FQ events, and domain fixed values. And user exits, so how to find out the user exits? Go to the program. Inside the program you have an include programs. Inside the include program you have a customer defined modules, okay, with the last two letters starts with the Z. And if you double click on the include, it will display all the subroutines which are which SAP has given, and you need to choose the proper subroutine. There you need to implement the logic. And if you want to implement user exit, you need to have an access key. But the customer exits, so no need to have an access key. And guys, what is the disadvantage of the user exit also, guys? So even whenever, most of the times these are only for the SD module, and we need to have an access key. And also, guys, whenever there is an SAP upgrade, okay, user exits not support, and the code which you have written in the inside the user exits, the code will not be copied to the higher versions, guys. That's a disadvantage of the user exits. And also, yeah, that's a disadvantage of the user exits case. You cannot get that code into the higher versions. You cannot get the code which we have written in user exit. Even it's like in a direct modification only. So when you write in a code under the user exit, when you do the upgrades, it doesn't get it, guys. But in customer exit, yes, it will support. SAP will support customer exits. SAP upgrade customer exits will support. Customer exits will be supported. Will be supported. And also, sorry, already it is there, right? Supported. And we can get the code which we have written in customer exit, which we have written in the customer exit, guys. That's the name, customer exit. But the customer exit, we have different types of customer exits. We have function exits, that's in a function module exits, and screen exits, and menu exits, and CI includes. Function module exits are used to write the code, and the screen exit to add the screens to the standard transactions. Menu exit, add your custom menu navigation in the menu bar. And CI includes are used to enhance your database tables, case. That's what we have seen the customer exit side. And yesterday we have enhanced the cost center K01 with the custom fields. So employee number, employee name, workday. And this is my scenario one, guys. So this is my business scenario one. This is my one requirement which we have implemented. And the second exercise 2 is, so I'm going to enhance ML81 and transaction with below fields, case. The service engineer is going to come to your home, or is going to come to your company, is going to repair the machines, or is going to repair the things. So whenever he is going to repair, and so he is going to log the time. So what is the time which he put to repair the things or to service the things, guys? So that's the name. transaction. This transaction is the ML81N, guys. ML81N. It's a service entry sheet, guys. Time sheet. It's in a service entry sheet. So whenever you work for company, you will enter time sheet, and whenever the service engineer will work for you, you will fill the service entry sheet, guys. Maybe you see somewhere service entry sheet. So when you go to the shopping malls, in the toilets, you see one table. So whenever they do the washing, they will put in a tick marks. So exactly, that's a service entry sheet, guys. So here also we do the service entry sheet, and whenever the service engineer do any service to your things or goods. So ML81N, this is the transaction. Leave about this. Before coming into this, it is coming. Oh, someone did, guys, already. Okay, someone did yesterday. I have given exercise. Someone tried to did it. Maybe no problem. I will do this, but I do not have any package, guys. How can I do that? Go to ST22, guys. I'm getting in a dump first, maybe. So wrong error analysis. First, I need to fix that. The program is ST22 error. There is a programming error in the application and source code extract. So what happened? See, guys, this is the program, and screen number is the 0399. And go to the SE51. SE51 and put the program, and maybe if you do the F4, you will get a screen, right? F4. So 399 and change. So you go to the attributes, and it should be in a subscreen, guys. That's the problem. Okay, you change it this to the normal screen. That's why it's not working. Now I go to the ML81 and enter and F8. See, you get a screen, guys. Someone changed the screen to the normal screen instead of in a subscreen. And this is the subscreen entry which we have created in the last class, guys. Maybe I need to add somewhere. Okay, some people already added this. So employee number, employee name, one time password. Okay, so someone added already on this. Okay, maybe. So what I will do is go to the system and status. So some of the things, go to the here and go to attributes. You see the package. The package is ML, and after you find the package, go to the transaction smod and F4 and go with information systems, and package is ML, and we have seen the custom fields, customer fields. Where is the customer fields? I have given yesterday. User screen or custom screen or user screen, both are same, guys. User defined screens or customer screens. This is the enhancement, guys, and this enhancement used in, suppose after you find the enhancement, go to the C mod and create the project Z. So already someone created, guys. Just I am giving some value and go to enhancement and S and local object. So to find out which is the enhancement which is created already, see ZN NM NML81 N, guys. Okay, who is N? Niranjana. I think, yeah, he is the guy. So G Niranjan ML81 N. So this is the one, and change it and okay, and go to the enhancement and okay, and already it is there, guys. I don't want to create new one. I am going to change the existing one, components and S And you can see guys, first you need to add the fields to the database table first. CI include. The table is the ESSR is the table. Yesterday we have seen ESSR is the database table which will store the service entry. And here we have added the three fields: service engineer and name and also OTP guys. Maybe these fields we have added, and go to here, and also we want hours price as well. Okay, maybe I want hours. I want hours, guys. You can explain in your things, guys, resume or else. Huh? Yeah, it's hours. And also, guys, I can put in a date also, right? On which date you worked on it, right? Even you need to track where the repair is done, where the when the service is done, and maybe sometimes you do the OTP also, one-time password, OT, yeah, OTP. It's already there, guys. So save it and activate. And whenever you activate, so this CI include is embedded or included in many of the database tables, guys. So maybe errors, why? A reference table and a reference field for the hours. So hours, quantity and currency fields, and it's a CATS cats DB and MEINH, and do the syntax check and save. Okay, no errors found, and activate the things. It takes some time because this will be reflected in most of the database tables. So guys, whenever I ask you to, whenever you want in a resume, please come with these points, guys. Okay, what we discussed in the enhancements, we did cost center, we did this. No one is coming, just coming and asking, I want a resume. Okay, please come, preparation. This is about preparation, guys. So you have to prepare yourself, right? You know everything here. You can easily explain the things. Okay, so whenever you go to the interviews, face to face, you can handle your own interviews. So prepare like this. So what we did, the enhancements. Okay, this is the enhancement which we did, right? So how to find out the enhancement, everything you can explain it. Okay, you come up with me, you come, and we can keep the same points in your resumes. Okay, otherwise I will put whatever I know, you will not handle, right? So whatever I explained, it's all real time scenarios only. You have to keep this and you have to explain to them, guys. Okay, so this is the thing. Why I am giving like this is, you need to prepare on these sites on the enhancement point of it. Definitely when you introduce that, definitely there is a questions on the enhancements. And the enhancement, when you tell enhancement, definitely they will ask the scenario. Without a scenario, there will not be any questions on the enhancement side, guys. Okay, so this is the requirement. What is your requirement? Just you need to tell, okay, we have in a transaction ML81 standard transaction it is, and actually it's my custom requirement. The service engineer name, hours, price, and OTP is not available in the ML81, and so we need to enhance with these fields. And if you want to enhance these fields, and I have found a customer exit by taking the package and into the S mod and find the package and taken the enhancement and go to the C mod, and I have created the project. So you can explain 5 minutes, right? So this kind of things you need to do in a practice from your end. And next comes to the no errors and activate the structure. See, whenever you add this CI underscore ESSR DB, now you go to the table. Okay, maybe I go to the table. What is the table for the service entry sheet? Yes, SR, guys. S11 ESSR. So always your custom fields will be in the bottom. See guys, you can see the CS underscore ESR is a custom include which is included in the standard table. The fields is added to your standard table guys. But normally you can do with the append structure, but this when you do append structure, that will be only applicable for this table. But when you do with the CI include, wherever it is required, everywhere it is going to be added guys. That's the advantage of the CI include. Okay, SAP will add automatically wherever it is required, that places it is going to be added guys. See, I'm doing a where is the list on the CI include. You will see exactly where this CI include is added. See, we have different structures guys. Even that the custom fields are added in this structure. See, go here, we can see the custom fields. Okay, not only one ESSR table even, but also this is added in different structures as well guys. That's a global impact. When you add the fields with the CI includes, it will add wherever it is required. But when you use append structure, it will be appended into that table only guys. So that's the advantage of the CI includes. So SAP has given in a provision, when you add this, automatically it will impact in many places guys. Maybe now that is done. Now I have added the things in the CI include, and now I go and add the fields in the screen level. So go to the screen and maintain the screen. And guys, always it should be in a sub screen, so don't change it to the normal screen. If you change to the normal screen, it will give in a dump guys. Okay, always this kind of things will be in the sub screen only. Okay, so don't change the things guys. And here, when you choose guys, very important is, when you choose your screen fields from which you need to get the screen fields, definitely you have to see the two function module exits. See here, maybe declared with the CI structure, it seems. Yeah, CI underscore ESSR DB. But I go back and come back. See guys, we have two function modules. I think one function module to write the code for the PVO. The another one is for the PAI. So go to the PAI and see what is the importing values. No exporting. And exporting is this, and there is no documentation, source code, and execute. So I see, is there any structure CI underscore ESSRDB? So maybe instead of writing directly guys, I put an a control Z. So maybe I put an a breakpoint. Maybe I will keep as it is, breakpoint, and execute. Put on a breakpoint. Okay, I put on a breakpoint now. And maybe what I will do is I will come here, go back again, ML 81, and so always you need to do in a breakpoint case. So additional data. So enter 1000, employee name, some sai, employee name, it's a service engineer name, one time password, some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter, and it comes, and see here, see the structure. See guys, this structure doesn't have any values. Did you see? Whatever you enter, that is not available guys. Maybe I go to the locals, and locals also, it's an exporting. See, exporting, you can see only the custom fields in the exporting. And what I need to do is, maybe what I need to do is I go to the globals guys. Maybe do you have any structure which is like CI underscore ESSRDB? See guys, there is a structure. So see guys, the structure which is having the values, see, 1000 sai and 1234, and whatever you entered, that is there guys. So you need to use CI underscore ESSR DB as a structure. and F8, and I go and declare a screen with these fields. And where is that? Come back, come back, and go to the screen and define all the fields from this structure, guys. Okay, maybe we can delete. So here it is showing an employee, guys. I don't want an employee. So what you need to do? Here it is showing as an employee actually. Hmm? So here you have reused the employee details, right? Flow logic, come back, no, and go here, and you see the employee number. So you have used the employee data element. That's why you are getting the description of the employee, right? Field label is the employee. But I want my requirement is service engineer, guys. So it's a wrong. I want a service ing. So double click, yes, yes, data element, and okay, and predefined data element. It's in a char maybe 10, and go to the field label. It's in a service ing I engineer, service ing engineer. So always don't, my functionality is different. I need to have my own descriptions. So always you have to do like this, enter and activate. Oh, okay, close and save and activate. Okay, so come back. So like this, service engineer name. Okay, maybe we put mm, okay, this will change this. Okay, no, what I need to do, SERNAME, enter. I want my own description. I need to have my own data element. Don't reuse the data element of others. Okay, predefined data type, and it's in a char. Name can be in a 40 characters, right? And field label, and it's in a service name. Okay, service engineer name. It's in a name. So service engineer name and EDG9 save, and go with enhancements. Do the syntax check. No syntax errors found. Execute and come back, guys. So see, I've changed this. Maybe this is okay, fine, guys. So don't put an employer, service engineer. So we are doing real things. It should be a service engineer and service engineer name. Now you uh, come back from the transaction, come back from the debug and restart. So again, go with the ML81N and enter and leave about this. See, go with additional data and you can see description is changed. Service engineer name and one time password, guys. So maybe I don't want, I need to include other fields as well. So include other fields as well, guys. Go and where is our logic? Come back and add the other fields as well and maintain and go to the layout, and maybe if you want, see, is hard coded. So maybe get CI underscore ESSR DB and enter and select all and enter and put all the things over here, guys. Service engineer and service engineer name, one time password and hours and date and okay. Flow logic and activate. Come back. So now we have added the screen, and so if you want to save the values and you need to implement two modules, right? One is for the PBO, another one is for the PAI. Click on the PAI and double click here and change. And guys, so here, so you can see the export. In the export, you need to pass the value to here, guys. So exporting is very, very important. So here the exporting is ESSRDB, and if you go here, so move the values to the ESSR underscore DB, guys. See, come here, ESSR underscore DB. So what is the field? Checkbox CI end. Okay. Hmm. Then do you have any other things? No. So maybe what I need to do, so we have the data in CI underscore ESSRDB that you need to pass it to this case. So not this, and you need to pass to the uh, values from to the exporting parameter. This parameter you need to pass it. Then it will store the data. So double click and double click and change and move corresponding CI underscore ESSR, okay, ESSR DB to the E underscore save. So export. This is the thing. Always guys, you have to make use of the whenever you implement a customer exit with function model exit, the importing and exporting parameters are important. So what is exporting here? This is my exporting. You need to pass the values to here, guys, and do this. Do this, guys. Edit. What is the error? Yeah. Okay. So do the syntax check and CI underscore ESSRDB is unknown. Is it? So we defined this in the why it is unknown here. Go to the layout. In the layout we have used this layout. It's CI underscore ESSRDB, which is there. Hmm? Flow logic. Hmm? See CI underscore ESSRDB. Eh? Okay, activate. So enhancement was activated. CI underscore ESSRDB. One more thing I can check. ESSRDB underscore CI. ESSRDB underscore CI. Display. Yes, guys, it is also there. This is also there. ESSRDB underscore CA. But this CA gives me the error. This CA gives me the error, guys. So even I need to change the again, guys. So the screen fields I need to change. Sorry. So because that is not available, layout, change the screen fields again. Delete, 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 and go to this and reverse ESSRDB underscore CA. Enter. So this is a global declaration. So this is there in the SAP program level. That only I need to use it, guys. And maybe it's not checkbox or date OTP. OTP is date. What is this? Okay, yeah. So last field also I have selected, it seems. So delete. I don't want this and activate. Okay. So that's it, guys. Flow logic and activate. So not much changes. Now you can see it will work. So go to here and change like this. ESSR DB underscore CA. That's it. So whatever the screen field you have used, see no errors, activate. So that screen field, the data, whenever you enter the data will be stored in that. That's the module pool you have learned, right? So whatever the structure you have used, that data will be stored in that structure, guys. This is my structure. Now maybe I can put in a breakpoint. So now I come to here, maybe activate the project. So your project should be activated. Activate the project, guys. Come back, come back. Now, so do the ML81N. So why we are doing different transaction? Before we used to do vendors, customers, guys. But everybody tells in the SAP technical.com you see customers and vendors. But if you tell this kind of transaction, they will believe. Okay, vendors, customer, no one believe because it's a common demo scenarios. You see the vendors and customers. So different transactions we need to see, guys. Maybe this is triggered and F8. I don't want now. So now I go to the not now, guys. Maybe I go here. So I copy this and I'm going to create a new scenario. Copy with the reference, guys. I'm copied the service entry sheet. F8. What is the screen? 299. Even 299 also changed. SE50. 299 change. Okay, it should be a sub screen, guys, not a normal screen. Come back. Okay, ML81N. So it goes to a debugger, execute, and select this, which is a successful service entry, guys. So create one more service entry with a reference to copy. Copy the service entry. Yeah. After entering the values, we see how exactly it is working. So I didn't enter the values on the screen. So before it is also triggering, I don't want to bother. I don't bother about the C, guys. Now I go to the additional data. See, we have a service engineer. Okay. So service engineer name is 1000 and engineer name is Vera. We'll see Vera Venkata Satya Narayana KVV. Okay, his name, one time password. Hours. He worked for 4 hours repair and date is the today's date. This is the date which he worked it. So when you press enter, see guys, double click on this and see, uh, see uh, ESSR underscore CI, and which should be having the data guys. ESSR underscore CI is the same thing which I have written, used the screen field, huh? But where is the data then? Huh? Now ECI underscore ESRDB, it's not there. CI underscore ESRDB, no. So where is the values here? Hmm? So we'll do one thing. Hmm. CMOD and change and components. What is the 20? 20 import I underscore service line data export. Nothing is there here. Hmm. See ESSRDB. This is only right. ESSRDB underscore CI. ESSRDB underscore CI. This is a structure which we have used, right? And in the debugging, ESSRDB underscore CI. Why these fields are coming up, guys? This doesn't have these many fields, right? ESSRDB underscore CI, which contains only some details. Okay, this is the culprit, guys. Sorry, this is the culprit. Very, very good catch. Very good catch. This is the problem actually. So it is replaced the existing structure with this structure. See, this is the structure he defined with the ESSR reference. That gives me the problem. That's what I'm thinking. So the standard is replaced with the custom definition. So go to the uh, see guys. See, there's a standard structure which is having only custom fields. Why it is getting me the standard fields, right? So the problem is he declared with the this structure, change it. I don't want these things standard, and delete the breakpoint also. Okay, activate and activate, edit. Why? What is this? This is another one, right? I think this is another one. It's a PBO. I don't want PBO. 20 is PBO and PAI. So check. I don't want this. Yes. And even I don't want the breakpoint. Multiple times it is hitting. Edit and ESSRDB underscore CI is unknown. E underscore ESSRDB. So why this is not coming, guys? move corresponding F1 we have declared with SSR DB underscore CI, which is in a standard structure. It is in a standard structure. Which is in a standard structure. And in PBO, which is in a standard structure. లేదు but if it is there in the global parameters it should come actually. Import, export, see, even this is an a ESSR DB underscore CI, same, right? Same like that only. ESSR DB underscore CI. Adding fields. This is a return of service data. How to handle this? So I do one thing. Do the where is the list of this function? And they are calling here. Call customer function 21 INS. See, guys, you will take the data from here. He is going to export the data to the ESSR, guys. So put in a breakpoint here. See, guys, the one more way is if you want to get in a customer exit, guys. So the one more way to find out the customer exit is call customer function. Find out the call customer function, guys. That also you can do it. So one more way to find out the customer exit. So what we can do, guys? Control call customer function. See, call customer hyphen function. Customer hyphen function. Very, very important. This also. Maybe I will find out how exactly it is. Maybe I'm putting in a breakpoint here. Okay. In this breakpoint, like this 21 function number. So here we are importing the data. So maybe I will do like this global declarations. Definitely this will be in a function group only, guys. See, MLSR is a function group. And guys, can anybody tell where is the top declarations, guys? Normally function group, go to the function group, master program, and in the master program there is a top. The global top, it should be, see, ESSR is there, EKPO is there, and see, this is my top declarations. 1 minute here. So can we put pass? No, right? So maybe, so guys, what we can do is maybe ESSR, guys. So the declaration we can do like this also, guys. So maybe what we can do is directly, if you go to the ESSR table, so in the ESSR table, I have the custom fields, right? I have the custom fields. directly I can use the ESSR for my screen declaration. So automatically that will be impacted, guys. That also you can do it. That also we can do it, guys. So maybe ESSR will have the top declaration. So see, guys, whenever you you declare in the global declaration in the function group, the data object can be accessed in all the function module. This is what we have learned in the fundamentals of the modularization techniques, right? So I have declared one variable, and that variable I have used in the arithmetic operations in the modularization. Okay, everybody silent for my statement. So when you declare in a one data object in the top declaration of the function group, you can access that data object in each and every function module inside that function group, guys. Maybe the function group is that function group, that function module is exist, no guys, that's why it's not coming. Even the function group, it doesn't have, the exit is in different function group, guys. The exit is in different function group. Come back. Hmm. See, XMLU. Oh, this is different. This is different function group, guys. Yes, XMLU. Maybe XM. What is the function group? This is XMLU. Enter. XMLU. Go to the master programs and top declaration. In the top declaration, um, screens. See, these are screens. The top declaration, you have to global data. Okay. So, guys, you can declare your own top declarations also, guys. See. So include, this is my own declaration in this function group. Did you observe? So ZXMLU top. If you want to have your own declarations, yes guys, I can declare. So guys, when you see this message, what I need to do? So double clicking it, it's not going. Enter, perfect. Enter, see? So I can do my own declarations, guys. Instead of using the new thing, I can declare my own declarations. Data, and what I have declared the screen field is 399, and my screen field is, see guys, layout, see guys, function group, we have created module pool programs from the function group, did you remember? So same here, I will declare this, guys, ESSR underscore CI, declare this, that's it. Okay, go to the includes, top include, and control V, sorry, ESSR db underscore ci, which is type of same ESSR db underscore ci. That's it, guys. Your, it is resolved. Your issue is resolved. You are going to get this information, guys. See, go to the function models now. Very, very important is this function model. And what is the our function model? Come back, come back. Function group is very, very good concept, guys. Very good concept, function group. See, it's an SAP LMSR 21. SAP LMSR 21. And now you go to the source code, you will not getting, you will be you don't get any syntax error. Why? Because we have declared this data objects in the global top declaration. So do the syntax check, no errors. That's the thing, guys. So this is the new point, guys. Even I didn't see this kind of things. This is the new point I have learned in this course. So if you don't have this in the global declaration, you can maintain this global declaration. Whenever there is a customer exit, definitely in the function group level, there is a customer include as well. There you can define your own custom include, guys. So that's the very, very important point we can uh, have. And maybe I put on a breakpoint now. So here I put on a breakpoint. Now I'm going to do an ML81 and enter. And go to the additional data. Maybe guys, so I'm going to create a new one. So this is calling, see, call customer 21 exit. F8. See, so there is no data. Why? Because we not yet entered any values. There is no data. In the initial time, there is no data. And maybe I came here. Maybe I will change this to the short text 94 basic data. And this is my data, and accept data and values long text, and uh, F8 and F8, and maintain the additional data. And here I am going to maintain the data, additional data 1000, and service engineer name Veera Venkata Satya K dot V dot also something, hours 3 hours, and the date is the today's date, and enter. And you see guys, so F8, and you can see the data over here, ESSR underscore DB, and this data should be come guys. So where is this data? Where is my data? No, globals. In the globals, see ESSR underscore DB CI, and this is not having the data. In PI, we should be able to get the data, guys. Why it's not coming? Okay, there is one more thing, guys. Standard. So we'll see how exactly it is coming up in the standard. So it comes to the ML81 program, and it's called SAP LM, SAP LM MLSR. mm, Get data, screen get data. In the screen get data, it comes. Okay. Maybe I do the debugging from here, guys. So F5. So this is a standard, very important, guys. So whenever you do debug, if you want to see the call stack, maybe you will get a question call stack. So how can you get the call stack, guys? So you can go to the standard in the debugging mode. So the first the transaction started from here. Then it calls this screen. Inside this screen, it calls the PI module. Inside the PI module, there is a subroutine. So inside the subroutine, there is a function module, guys. So one by one it is calling. Suppose now we are in here. Suppose if I want to debug from here, double click here, the cursor comes over here, guys. The cursor comes here. So then I can F5, it goes inside. So desktop, and you can see the cursor is from here, guys. So maybe what is the problem? Subscreen get data. So subscreen, yes, sir. I'm not getting that data, guys. Service engineer name, TP hours. So this value I should get it. So even EKKO, see this CI does not exist. Service, Again do the syntax check. See, the data is there, and again enter. See, it's coming here. I underscore ESSRDB. Okay, it goes, come here, and ESSRDB underscore CI. Double click. So it's not, the data is not populated here. So which is there? The screen. I think the problem is the function group is activated, guys. The total function group is activated. Maybe that is the problem, guys. I think I activated only the include. The include Z top. This is activated. This is my ESSR DB underscore C, and this is type of this standard structure. This is having these details, and maybe the function module master, and which is also a active. Maybe I will try to reactivate this. Activate XMLUs generated, and in this, so whenever I design, see, whenever I have used the function module, so the function module screen, the 399 299 huh? 399, and maybe go to the layout. ESSR is correct only, right? ESSR underscore CI, and whenever you enter the data here, that should be stored in the ESSR underscore DB CI. So when the data exists, and I can use that, guys. I can use that. So what's the problem? I don't know. Again, reactivate, activate again, and why it's clearing, I don't know. So maybe come out, come out. Huh? No, it's triggering, right? Uh, the debugger is triggering. Screen is not a problem. So 399 at the second level. Maybe 400 is next item level. So one place it is given. So next I will do again ML81N. Copy this. Nothing is there. Where is the copier? This is one, huh? Okay, now copy the November 2014 and F8 and F8 and F8 F8, and go to the additional data, enter the values, 1000, do this, do this, do this. Okay, and save it. Go here. No. So why the values are not coming? 21 locals SSR underscore DB, which is not coming. Say blank SSR. Okay, we'll do one thing here. I use, see, in ESSR I have the fields. I have the fields. Maybe what I will do is I use the ESSR object for the screen fields. Okay, so this is an enhancement. We need to do trial and error. Okay, the flexibility, even in from SAP side also they didn't implement properly this. So instead of this, I use one more trick. Huh? Who changed? When it is changed? Oh, did you copy it or what? This? No, no. Who who created this? So what is the okay? Uh, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Give me some time. Okay. Uh, ST. Right. Who changed here this password? Someone changed, locked it. Okay, ML. What is that? SC80. I will come to know what you changed it. Okay, function group. The function group is XMLU. Enter. And okay, where are the screens? Okay, not require this. And sorry, yes, MOD. What is the enhancement which you have used? Hmm, ML. Okay, we can find correct. F4 information systems package ML and user, the screen display and components. See guys, we have only screen 399. We are doing at 299, right? How? Why did you created your own screens? Huh? So the screen is 399 where you need to implement, guys. That's the problem actually. The problem is not with the code. The problem is with the screens, guys. So delete 299, delete 400. No screens. It's created by our sir Niranjan sir. Okay, go to the layout and now delete this and delete this, delete this, delete this. So go to here. So ESSR underscore DB CI and select all and okay. 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 But how those coming here? Okay, service engineer. But I am wondering how these screens are coming up over there here. Hmm? And include. So, but mistakes are good, guys. Don't think that. So we are getting to coming to know a lot of things when you do the mistakes, huh? So whenever you do mistake, that's good for me. You are giving me a challenges to me. Okay, if it is coming easily, what you are going to get? You will not get anything, right? So mistakes are good actually. So now we did and go to the function model and 21 is the PBO. Where is the 21 here? MLSU. Hmm? SR. So, okay. Okay, maybe now we will do the guys. ML 81 N and copy. I'm creating this copy with reference. So I not yet enter the values. So where you need to check after you enter the values, then only you need to check. That's why I'm ignoring it. Okay, don't. That's a debugging, guys. So based on the actions, screen does not exist. Huh? Why? No. See. Here the screen is there. 399 is there. I think the problem is 400, 399. Okay. The problem is even the same. Tell me what is the problem? Huh? No. Tell me what is the problem. Active, subscreen, next screen 399. Yeah. Okay. From here you cannot create, guys. Where you need to create? C mod z test ML31 and create 399. Yes, it should be in a subscreen 399. Perfect. So subscreen 399. Next screen also 399. Save and activate. Okay. Come back and activate the project. Project is activated. Right. Now ML81N refresh. $299. Where did I write 299? Huh? Where it is? It is there. Correct. But we do not have any 299, right? Okay. Change components 399. Double click and maybe the next screen is 299. 399. See? Okay, I think in element list. Uh, no. In the element list, and flow logic 399. Attributes somewhere it is defined. It is not deleted. We deleted, but somewhere it is not deleted, guys. Somewhere it is not deleted. 399, 399. Where it is picking up to? Program. This is the program, right? Not this program here. Go to this. Go to here. And here we have screens. 399. Come back. Okay, the code dump. Where is the dump actually? ST22. And today 4 dumps. And DynPro not found. DynPro not found. So error analysis. So 299 is giving the problem. The screen does not exist. Okay, where exactly it is calling? Source code extract. Go to the source code extract. Here it is giving me the error, guys. Subscreen set data. Uh, 1 minute, Swami. Just stop your recording.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
So why it's coming here? Actually, this is not there. The screen is already deleted. Why it's coming? Huh? So refresh. First come out of the refresher. Come out of the this. Okay. ML81N. Strange. So from where it is coming, guys? So I will copy another one. I'm copying existing ones. That's why it's giving me the problems. Uh, okay, large tanks. Maybe some repair on the large tanks. Huh? October 2014. Okay, copy. Okay, FI. I'm checking, guys. How to get here? Screen number DYNNR. It gives the current screen number. So 400 is the screen. DYNNR for the screen. CPROG for the program. If you want to get the screen number, this is my screen number. F6. So I'm debugging, guys. Maybe why this is calling that screen. System variables are very, very important. F7. Yes. 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 So standard code debugging this. F7. 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 Execute. 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 It seems no. 299. Where it XAP LXMLU. In this program, is it? No, yeah, the screen does not exist. SE. So how did you created the screen? SE AIT. This is my program, master program, SAP LXMLU, and function model, global data, customer use, submodules, screen. It is showing only 399. Attribute somewhere. Is it stored anywhere? Subscreen. properties, hidden things. Okay, what I will do is master program, global find, call screen, main program. No, where it is calling. One more, what is the one more function group here? X, ML, SR. Uh, it's only setting 399. See, this is the sub screen which is setting user screen, but it's not setting the 299. How the 299 is executing? We'll do one thing. I will create a dummy 299. See, 88. So totally it is going for the dump. Okay, X L M U. What is that? LX MU. XM LU. XML. See, these are concepts, guys. Function group name. So maybe create the copy. It's a dummy screen, guys. I do not do anything. And 299 and activate. But it is calling only the 399. SAP is calling only 399 screen, guys. From the program, it is calling only 399. Maybe now it should not give the problem. So ML 81, maybe 299 active. Okay. ML 81 and effect. Okay. So now you can see, guys, whether it is an F1 and do the screen. See, guys, the screen is 399 only. Okay, maybe I enter the values and so we'll check the luck this time and F5 and now you can see the no values, guys, no luck and ESSR underscore DB. So there is no luck at all. So it's not working, guys. I don't know why it's not working. And this time I'm going to do one more try. So maybe in function group 399 and layout. So last try. Delete. So this is the data element use, guys. So wherever you use, you'll get a description if you use the data element and directly I use ESSR. Okay, in the ESSR and use service engineer. Yeah, last 5. Put this and activate the screen. Okay, and flow logic and activate this. Guys, in the flow logic, maybe I activate the 399 flow logic as well. So to check whether the values are coming properly or not. Uh, Breakpoint. Again, you do the ML81N. Breakpoint. Did I do copy here? Did I put an action copy? No, I didn't put action copy. Okay, service 1000. Okay, save. See, locals, user command variable ESSR. So ESSR. See guys, this contains the values ESSR 1000, this OTP and this value and this value. So maybe F5 after user command subscreen get data. This is a customer subscreen and module subscreen get data. SAP MLS 21 exit active. Okay, F6 check and check the ESSR. Yeah, ESSR. Did you get the values for the? So guys, even it is cleared, guys. The values are cleared here. Mm. So I need to get the data, guys. How can I get it? So here two different things. Guys, so I'm going to use a powerful concept here now. So maybe I create a one class, a C24 GCL. It's a static class. I'm going to create it, guys. Screen underscore static, and this is my screen static class. Create If something is not working, definitely we can get it, guys. So you need to use the proper technology. So go to the attributes, and my attribute is ESSRDB underscore CI, and which is in a type static attribute, and visibility is the public visibility, and type is the ESSRDB underscore CI. Okay, and save, and go to the class constructor. Class constructor, class constructor, no, method, delete. Okay, set screen values. This is my method, guys. I'm going to get a screen values, set screen values, and it's in a public method. And parameters, interfacing parameter is im underscore that ESSRDB underscore CI, and which is an a importing, pass the value, and ESSRDB underscore CI. Okay, this is my value. I'm going to set the value, attribute value, guys. This is my attribute value. And come back and methods, and after you set, I need to get screen values. Even this is also a static method, and which is in a public method, and save. And whenever you set the values, so when you set the values, and where what is my attribute, guys? E DBCI, which is equal to the IAM underscore this. So I will inject the value that I will store in the attribute ESSR underscore DBCI. Activate. Yeah, I'm doing. Next, go to the get screen values. Get screen values, the exporting. You need to define a exporting is whenever you want to get, you need to get an exporting parameter. I will use ex underscore ESSRDB underscore CI type, which is an exporting parameters, and ESSR DB underscore CI. Okay, then go to the methods, get screen values, and pass ex, and which is equal to the, this is my attribute, and my attribute value I'm going to set it. Activate. Where implementation missing here? Set screen values, get screen values. We did implementation, right? We have two methods, set screen values, yes, and get the screen values. Why it's saying implementation missing? Save, activate the class. Enter. So this is a special function, guys. So I told, right, enhancements not that much straightforward. Okay, so directly you cannot get the things. So my class is activated. This is my static class, guys. So now I go to the PAI. In the PAI, so I'm going to set the value, guys. So call method GCL underscore static. What is that? Screen static. Mm, Screen screen static. And if it is static, set the value. Set screen values. Do this, enter. And here I am going to send the value, guys. Maybe uh, data ESSRDB underscore CI and type of ESSRDB underscore CI and move corresponding ESSR to ESSRDB underscore CI and put the value. The value is there in the ESSRDB underscore CI. So that's it, guys. Save. So I set the value here and do the syntax check. ESSR is a noun. Function model. And where is your include? Z include. This is the top include and maintain. Tables ESSR. That's it. Save. Activate. So now go to the screen again. Where is our screen? Screen 399. User command and do the syntax check now. So move is ESSR is unknown. Activate. Is it? ESSR. Why? So we can use it, right? Why it's not giving here? So this screen is there in XMLU and in this is the top include and which is there the function group level, go to the function group, master program, the master program, top. Oh, where is the top here? Before I have seen the top somewhere. User defined top. Okay, maybe inside this there is a top. Yeah, ZXMLU top. And yes, whenever you declare in a tables, it should maybe what I can do. Maybe tables are not working. ESSR, which is a type of ESSR. Execute. So now go to the screen. Yes, guys, this is activated. Inactive. Activate this now. Okay, I set the value. After you set this value, slow IPN system. Cmod change components here. Now call method gcl underscore screen static and do this and get values, control space enter, and do this and take this value, control C, control V, move the data to this, so the data is done. So put the breakpoints, guys. Put the breakpoint, and it should get now. So ML81N and services. This time I go to the services. Right. October. Copy. Additional data. One. Okay. Save. So go here. See USSRDB. No values. And go here. Source. No value. The values are coming. Entry sheet is created. It is displaying the values, guys. Okay, I will see tomorrow this. Okay, maybe some difficult task. So where it is going wrong, I'm not sure. So maybe I will do this in S4 HANA. Maybe something going wrong with disturbance. Same thing, I will do the things in S4 HANA, guys. STR 19. Okay, guys, it's a fresh implementation, CI underscore CSRDB, and which is being created. Do something. I'm going to use some only two things, guys. Covers, standard things I'm going to take, and cats, cats hours. Two fields I will include only. Okay, date, which is the types of uh, cats, date, work date, and activate. Okay, and activate, save, and okay, and okay. Reference table. Okay, hours, cats table, activate. Okay. Okay, which is activated. Come back. So now once you activate it, it will come into the green. Next I go to the screen. Guys, before going to that, so first I will analyze these two things, guys. So here import, nothing is import, but we have an export. That means I can export hours and a date. What is this here? End of checkbox. Okay, do I need to pass X? I think here. I think we need to pass the X, I think it seems. This is also created some problems. Mhm. The next one, PBO, what is importing? I underscore ECSR, X is in a editing mode. Okay, when it is in editing mode, then only you need to do this. Importing mode, this is. Nothing is there. Okay. Importing is ESSR. Yeah, ESSR. Mm, it's a PBO. It's a PAI. Importing. Nothing it is imported. ESSR DB, which is an ESSR DB underscore CI. Okay. And mm, ESSR DB CI, guys. But go here. Uh, I would like to see the top declarations which are already there. Master data. So top declaration. No declarations here. So declarations are not there. Fields. Okay. This is the function model. What is the value which is coming in? Maybe this function module is called 21. Do the various list. So what I can do is in this function includes Hmm? So create the screen now. 399. So sub screen and okay, and layout. Uh, GS underscore ESSR. That's it. Huh? Get it from two fields. Okay. Okay, the screen is activated. Next, go to the function model exit. Double click. You'll get an error. Sorry, warning. Enter. Okay. And okay. And now I have a global GS underscore C ESSR. Okay. Move corresponding GS underscore ESSR to export is, what is the export here? What is the value of the export here? Export parameter some X something is there. E underscore. Okay, here I put breakpoint. Come back, come back, and implement here. And import I underscore ESSR. Nothing. Source code. Double click. Enter. Yes. PBO. Okay. Suppose if you have the data, move corresponding I underscore ESSR to GS underscore ESSR. Move the data to the screen field. Screen data. That's it. And do this. Come back and activate the project. It is activated, guys. Now go to the ML81N. 20 is the PBO. Okay, now nothing. We do not have anything. It's a fresh year. Auto create fresh. Create. Yeah. How to create new one here? Here. Okay, purchase order. I need to give some new purchase order. So configuration problems. We do not have any purchase orders in S4 HANA. SE16N EKKO, enter number of entries. We can create from the purchase orders case service. No entries here. Something, some disturbance here. Something we collapsed in this. Something we collapsed. To create a purchase order, ME21N. It's not possible. Okay, we'll try in the lab server. Maybe take fresh system here, not in the lab server. Implement in your individual systems. So like I have implemented, right? In the S4 HANA, declare one work area, GS underscore ESS underscore R, and like that you implement, try to do that. Maybe in the lab server it is gone. Try to implement in our own servers.